back to Vince's at Home.
Your redemption video.
Mallory's redemption video. I made a sandwich that we love at home, but I was missing some of the ingredients. It didn't go my way. The chicken wasn't exactly the right chicken I like to use. Time for me to redeem myself and show that I actually can cook. I'm not just a little stay-at-home mouse that eats all the crumbs that Tim leaves me.
You're gonna make us 2 types of sandwiches today?
Yes. One's very easy. So if you're not into cooking like myself, this is just really just whip it together, slap it on, you're good to go. But the other one is called a croque monsieur.
Croque?
All right, so wish me luck. I'm going to start a little concoction for our sandwich, which honestly was inspired by our honeymoon, just a classic Italian sandwich. So easy, so delicious. You're playing Italian music for me? It's so nice.
What's that instrument called?
You know, he can add sounds. Okay,
so you were on your honeymoon.
We're on our honeymoon, and
hold on, let the music just take you away.
You're gonna start with some ricotta as I spill it everywhere. Then you're gonna grab some pesto. Any pesto will do. If you have your own at home made, even better. I'm gonna mix the ricotta and the pesto together. I am like the world's biggest pesto fan. These are pretty big, thick slices, so we'll just go with 1 each. Okay, do you think you want more than 1 piece, or like?
Do I think this is your sandwich? This is your redemption video.
Well, I'm disgusting, so I would put like 7 pieces on there. It just needs like a little moisture on the other side, otherwise you're like.
This looks great.
That's it.
Can I eat?
Yes.
I'm really hungry.
I'm taking the little guy. What a nutritious breakfast.
Well done. We're just gonna keep eating? We're disgusting.
This is only our first one. To make the croque monsieur,
Yes.
you have to make a bechamel, and you have to make sure that it's nice and thick. It almost looks like a grilled cheese with the Swiss and the ham inside, but then you broil it with the bechamel on top. I'm gonna say like low to medium heat.
Do you melt the butter first?
Yes, I got the flour.
Okay.
I think you add the flour slowly. Whew, hopefully chefs don't watch this video because I might be wrong, but I'm just trying to be convincing. So now it's gonna make like a little pasty paste. This is what I like. This is when it gets like Play-Doh-y. Big part about bechamel is adding the milk extremely slowly.
And we're using 3% homogenized milk?
Whole milk.
What does homogenized mean?
Kind of giving pancake vibes right now. Look at that. See this?
Is it happening?
This is what a bechamel does.
OMG.
OMG. This is how I get my arm muscles at home. Okay, look at that. Anyone want to take a taste? So this is gonna cool so that we can slather it on the sandwich. I'm gonna shred some Swiss. If you had a block of Swiss, that'd probably work, that would work, but this is the way we're going. You know, Mallory likes to take a little bite of everything. Not bad. 1 more for good measure. We're gonna do some truffle mustard. This is the most exciting part. Are we excited?
I'm excited.
Woo! We're on fire.
Okay.
Okay, ham.
Ham.
Swiss. This is a monumental moment. Giancarlo,
Hey!
I think
That looks good.
we are ready.
Used all of the bechamel too. All right, get her in there.
Take a picture of me with my babies. Do they look like me?
This should be the cover shot for the video.
It's like putting your kid on their first day of school.
I cried.
Oh my God, I'm crying. I think we have to let them cool a little.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay,
So what did we make?
we made a,
Croque monsieur.
yes we did.
It looks great. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's hot. It's really hot.
Oh, it's really hot.
Oh my God, it's really hot.
The crispiness of the crust on this bread.
I feel like I need a fork and knife though. Okay, you're redeemed. Yo, let's get the stamp. Good job. Good redemption, Mallory.
Thank you.
So just remember, if you ever fail miserably at preparing a meal, you can always redeem yourself
Yeah.
by trying something else.